welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing great physically and mentally both. We are also doing great here. And so in this video, I'll talk about our Mentseekhang product. We have lots of products that people are unaware of it. So I hope you find this
useful and beneficial for you. Our product not only help outer but also help your inner mental state. SORIG product, SORIG means signs of healing, are made from herbs grown in Tibet and Himalaya.
Body are made from 4 elements. The diseases, the illness we get are also from the 4 elements, and its remedies, its antidotes are also from the 4 elements.
Our product will definitely help you, as they are also made from herbs. If you use it for a long time, then you will definitely see the result of your skin will be softer, free from wrinkle and free from mental stress too.
Products are categorized in following things: herbal product, cosmetic, HPC, herbal product lotions, herbal product miscellaneous, herbal product oils, HPO, herbal product medicines, herbal product supplements, HPS, herbal product teas, HPT, herbal therapy products, incense sticks and powder. When you know its benefits and uses, you don't have to get prescribed by a doctor. You can directly buy from Mentseekhang nearby you, which will be easier for you too. First, I'll talk about all the herbal products, HPT, and I'll start from Guane Menja Headache Relief Tea. It helps to reduce symptoms like severe headache, light headache, dizziness and migraines, and headache in the forehead and in the cheek areas. It not only reduces the headaches but also refreshes both body and mind. This is Tumbi Menja Arthritis Relief Tea. Looking at its name, Arthritis, you already know where it helps you. It reduces swelling, pain and inflammation in the joints, any joints, and also reduces stiffness of the joints and makes you more flexible and easier for movement of the limbs. It not only helps joints and easier for movement but also improves your kidney function by balancing the blood flow and lung energy, water energy in the body. It will also prevent you from cold and clears and cleans the blockages in nerves, arteries and veins. Store this tea in the cool and dry place. Ukmidi Vicha tea for respiratory problem. It helps you control cold, chest congestion, tightness or blockages feeling in the chest, and cough, often having cough, unnecessary sweating even if you don't have very hot weather, and difficulty in breathing in and breathing out, and feeling energyless and weak body. This tea is also good for your lungs. It clears mucuses from their lungs and trachea. This tea is good for your throat and clears your throat. Ninja tea for heart. It helps your blood flow better, block of lung and blood vessels because of high cholesterol in the body. It helps you from angina pain. Angina pain is a pain in the chest because of low blood flow. This tea will also free you from restlessness because of palpitation, fear and mental stress. You can have more energy, you can sleep better in the night, and you will be more happy, and you will be your mind will be more clear and you will be full of energies. You have a good blood flow, you will be more healthier. You will be always healthier. Here's the Lungsab Menja Women's Wellness Tea. This tea is specially for women after menopause. After the menopause, we women face lots of changes in the body. So this tea will definitely help us. It helps you for mental stress, confusion and poor memory. It also helps you for abnormal vaginal discharge and maintain the menstrual irregularities. This tea improves your iron deficiency and also improve kidney and uterus function. This
This tea will also free you or release the menstrual cramp and joint pain and mental stress, and also from the limb numb, stiffness, limb numb. This tea is especially good for vein dominant people. Mensa controls hypertension. It gives healthy circulation and gives you sound sleep. It reduces upper back pain and headache, blurred eye vision, and it also helps the symptoms like sweating a lot, difficulty in breathing, stiffness of knees or back, dryness of mouth, thirstiness, and numbness of the limbs. It is especially for high blood pressure and it controls hypertension. This is good for Tibetan dominant people. This tea should be taken in the afternoon, and if the signs and symptoms of hypertension, high blood pressure is shown, it appears, then you can take it immediately anytime in the day. Pagan tea. This tea is especially for Pagan dominant people. This tea will reduce you from the Pagan disorders symptoms like weak digestive, poor appetite, and overweight. This will help you to increase your metabolism and lose your weight and give you better appetite. This tea also relieves you from low body heat and energyless and excessive sleepiness and also loss of taste. This also reduces the heaviness of both mind and both body and the mind. So after having this tea, if you have this tea, you will feel better, you will feel energetic, and your body and mind both will be happy, clear, and energetic in all the time. This tea will increase your metabolism, which will help you for better digestion and better appetite. And this will also should be taken in the morning or in the evening for the best result. In case if you get the symptoms of heaviness, laziness, tired, and all, then you can take this tea for the tea anytime in the day. Rakka Yangzin, everyday tea. This tea gives overall wellness and increase your lifespan. It also gives thirst, fulfillment, and appetite, and it will also reduce bloating and gas in the stomach. This tea also improves your immunity and prevents you from common cold diseases and restore blood level. Diabetic care tea. This tea is specially for diabetic patients. It improves digestion and appetite. This tea increases blood circulation and gives you better sleep. It also helps you in following symptoms like thirstiness, pain in genital areas, urinary bladder, numbness in the body, sensation in the limbs, frequent urination, unclear urine, and this tea may also clean your blood and give you relief from arthritis. This tea should be taken per day. Mentseekhang, slimming supplement. This body fat. It gives healthy weight and burn excess body fat. It burns your LDL and gives HDL. LDL is a bad cholesterol and HDL is a good cholesterol, which you need it. It helps you from some symptoms like high blood sugar, frequent urination, tiredness, and this tea may prevent you from tumors and cancers. Eye care tea. This tea relieves common eye disorder such as dryness, watering eye, cataract, red and swollen eye. It will improve your eyesight and relieve eye pain. If you take this tea for regularly, then this tea will act as a nectar for your eyes. You need to take this tea 1 to 2 bags per day or
directed by physicians. Tibetan herbal healthcare tea. It will help you to prolong your lifespan and increase your body strength and less chance of getting illness. So prevent you from premature wrinkle, gray hair, and keep your skin complexion and make your skin glow. This tea also helps you in fertility. You can take this tea anytime in the day. Lungcha for calming and relaxing effect. It helps to calm your mental stress and relax your body from discomfort. It also relieves you from lower back pain and upper back pain. This promotes overall mental wellness and good sleep and healthy appetite. This tea will strengthen both body and mind and will give complexion for your skin and make your skin glow. This tea may also help you gain weight if you are too skinny. Tibetan tea. It has a cooling and refreshing properties which helps headache and nausea and loss of appetite and bitterness in the mouth. This tea helps to fulfill excessive thirst and reduce increased heat and sweating. Also good for your cholesterol. It helps to burn your bad cholesterol and gives you a healthy cholesterol. It also relieves upper back pain.
chiếc quần áo lẽ bé từ xem ang là tháp ra chỉ cha sống cha xem bút chữ tông cho xem là chỉ tăng thứ kia cái xe ra để xem lại yang yang khó